Okay, over here, first of all, I will check if this is an AP or a GP. To check for AP, I will look at the difference. D1 is equals to -2 minus 1, -3. D2 equals to 3 minus -2 equals to 5. These two differences are not the same, therefore not AP. If this is not an AP, I will now check if this is a GP. For GP, I play with ratio. So R1 is equals to -2 over 1, -2. R2 equals to 3 over -2. These two ratios are also not the same, so also not a GP. Now what I have to do is, I'll take a look at the sequence and see what I can do with the sequence. Okay, if I pair the sequence up with an odd and even number, if I pair them up with an odd and even number, odd and even number, odd and even number, then within each pair, I do an addition. So what I get is 1 plus -2 equals to -1. I plus it up, I also get -1 here. Here, I also get -1. So I actually see a pattern over here. It means that if I pair each odd and even number up and sum them up, I'll get -1 for each continuous pair. So now I find the first 200 terms, the sum of first 200 terms first. And then I know that the first 200 terms are made up of what? The first 200 terms are actually similar to the sum of first 100 pairs of an odd and even number. Okay, 100 pairs. So if there are 100 pairs, it means that there are 200 terms. The sum of one pair of odd and even number is equal to -1, as I've seen just now. And now this is getting easier. In this case, I'm interested in sum of 100 pairs. So if one pair, the sum of one pair is -1, then the sum of 100 pairs has to be 100 times -1 equals to -100. Now the last step, I'm going to find average. Okay, I'm going to find the average. Average is equals to sum of first 200 terms over total number of terms. I know that there are 200 terms, and the sum of first 200 terms are the same as the sum of 100 pairs, that is -100. So in this case, the final answer is equal to -1/2.